Great news if you're a flat owner or looking to buy one in the future, because leaseholds are about to change. A new bill has been published today that will cap ground rent at £250 a year for existing leaseholders in England and Wales. So I'm going on gov.uk to look at the article. They actually sent me the press release this morning, but we're just going to have a look at the article online. It's easier to read. Own a flat or looking to buy. Here's what the new leasehold shake-up means for you. Millions of homeowners, mostly flat owners, will save significant cash thanks to a new major shake-up of the leasehold system. If you own a flat or looking to buy one, you probably know about the excessive charges you may have to pay on top of your mortgage and other bills. Ground rents are often inescapable because they have to be paid under the terms of your lease. Some landlords charge a substantial amount for no clear service in return. Here is what the government is doing to protect your pockets from unfair charges. 1. Ground rent will be capped, no more spiraling bills. Many flat owners pay ground rent that can shoot up a lot. You may not even realize that it's going to increase until you get the bill. Ground rent is a payment to the owner of the land your flat sits on. That's been stopped. If you have a ground rent, it will be capped at £250 a year. And after 40 years, it will be cut to a peppercorn, so nothing is paid. Peppercorn always makes me laugh. I don't know why they use that term peppercorn. If someone knows where that originates from, let me know in the comments. This will apply to most residential leasehold contracts that were entered in before July 2023, meaning big savings and no nasty financial surprises. So like we said, £250 is going to be the max you have to pay for ground rent. It could be under this, but £250 would be the max. And if you've never paid ground rent before, I'm going to show you why this is so important, because there is some horror stories. And I'm going to show you an article from 2017 which shows why this is so important. So, is this the worst leasehold block in Britain? £8,000 a year ground rent bill for buyers already, and rising towards 8 million. As Watchdog warns, time's up for leasehold. So I'm going to summarize the article for you. So basically this block of flats, it is leasehold flat. So it has a landowner. If you buy a flat, you have to pay the landowner of the whole building a ground rent. And this ground rent for one tenant was £8,000 a year. And the worst thing about it, it would double in value every 10 years. So after 95 years, the ground rent would be £8 million. And when you have things like this going on with ground rent and service charges, when it's unregulated, it makes flats unsellable. So people who bought these flats would find that no one else wants to buy it. You're just passing on that unmanageable ground rent to someone else, and no one else is going to buy this. If they do the research and find out what the ground rent is, it's unsellable. The flat is unsellable. You're going to lose loads of money on it. So this is why this bill is so important. So if you're looking to buy an older flat, if you already have an older flat, if you're using one for service accommodation, you're a private landlord, this is great news for you. I want to know in the comments what you think about this, and follow me for more daily content. I'm broke, baby.